Hello viewers, I am Dr. Mala Das Sharma. Welcome you to my channel ChemPhilic. Let's start 40th episode of Teaching Chemistry through Riddle. Here is riddle number 40. Mr. X is the first member of an aliphatic homologous series. He is the strongest one in his community. In some respect, Mr. X resembles the members of another aliphatic homologous series. He can produce shining mirror when treated with aqueous ammonia solution of silver nitrate. So, this is riddle number 40. Now, let's see the question. Primary question is, who is Mr. X? The answer is formic acid, which is the first member of aliphatic monocarboxylic acid series. Now the second question is, in what respect he is the strongest member of his family and why? He here means formic acid. Now, formic acid is the strongest acid among all the monocarboxylic, that is aliphatic monocarboxylic acid. So, formic acid is the strongest acid of the aliphatic monocarboxylic acids. Now, this acidic property of any acid can be explained by two factors. First factor is ease of release of hydrogen ion or H+. The acid means they can release H+ in aqueous solution. The acid which can easily release this hydrogen ion or H+, that will be the stronger acid. Now, second factor, stability of the anion formed after release of H+. That means after releasing the H+, it forms the anion. Whether that anion is more stable than the parent compound or less stable. If the anion is more stable, then that acid has a tendency to form that anion. That means that acid will be strong acid. Now, carboxylic acid is the resonance hybrid of this structure. Why? Because this lone pair of electron of this OH group, it is in conjugation with this carbon-oxygen double bond. That's why resonance occurs. And because of this resonance, what we find that positive charge developed on this oxygen atom. As oxygen is electronegative, so this oxygen-hydrogen bonded electron pair shifted to oxygen and this hydrogen is released as H+. That's why carboxylic acids are stronger acid than phenols, than alcohols, etc. So this is the resonance structures of carboxylic acid as I explained. Now what I told just now, in the resonating structure, positive charge is present on electronegative oxygen atom of OH group, hence the release of H+ is facilitated. Now the order of this acid strength of the aliphatic monocarboxylic acid, it follows this order. First member, formic acid, is stronger than second member, acetic acid. Acetic acid is stronger than propionic acid. Propionic acid is stronger than butanoic acid, and it goes like this. Now, the question is, why this series is like this, or why the formic acid is the strongest one? Now, once again, this is the resonance hybrid structure of this carboxylic acid, and already we have observed that because of resonance, this positive charge develops on this oxygen atom. Now, this R means that is the alkyl group. Except for formic acid, all other monocarboxylic acids, they have this R, that means this alkyl group. And this alkyl group exert plus I effect. And this plus I effect transmit through this chain. And because of this plus I effect, this positive charge on this oxygen atom is partially reduced. As this positive charge on oxygen atom is partially reduced, then release of this hydrogen as proton or H plus becomes difficult. Now coming to formic acid, in case of formic acid, is the only member where this alkyl group is not present. And as this alkyl group is not present, there is no question of plus I effect exerted by the alkyl group, and when there is no plus I effect, this positive charge on this oxygen atom is not partially reduced, so this hydrogen can be more easily released as H plus compared to all other members of this monocarboxylic acid. Therefore, formic acid is the strongest acid among all the monocarboxylic acid. So what I just now explained, that is only written here. Except formic acid, all the other acid of the homologous series have alkyl group. Plus I effect of the alkyl group partially reduces the positive charge on oxygen atom, and consequently proton release becomes difficult. As no plus I effect operates in formic acid due to absence of alkyl group, it is the strongest acid of the homologous series and releases H plus easily. Now coming to the second factor, that is stability of the anion form. Now this is the anion of the carboxylic acid, or it is the carboxylate ion. This is for the acetic acid and this is formic acid. Now it may be any acid, only this alkyl group. Here it is methyl group, alkyl group will be different. Now in this resonance structure of this carboxylate ion, what we are observing that unlike the parent compound, that is the parent carboxylic acid, where positive negative charge separation was there, here only the delocalization of negative charge is found. In the resonance structure, if positive negative charge separation is present, those resonating structures are less stable compared to delocalization of this negative charge. And moreover, these two structures are equivalent structures. And same thing for this formic acid also. Therefore, first thing is that this carboxylate anion is more stable than the parent carboxylic acid. Therefore, carboxylic acids are stronger acid than phenol and then alcohol, etc. Moreover, these resonating structures are equivalent structures. Equivalent resonating structures are more stable. Now coming to the difference between the carboxylate ion of this formic acid and other acids of this monocarboxylic acid series. Here you see, in all other carboxylate ion except formic acid, this alkyl group is there, and this alkyl group exerts plus I effect, which transmits through the chain. And because of this plus I effect, this negative charge is more localized on this oxygen atom. Delocalization brings more stability. Okay? But in case of formic acid, as there is no alkyl group, so there is no question of localization of the negative charge on this oxygen atom. Therefore, the formate ion or this anion of this formic acid is more stable compared to the anion of other monocarboxylic acid. So formic acid is the strongest acid if we consider this point, that is stability of the anion form. So positive and negative charge separation is present in the resonating structure of carboxylic acid, which are comparatively less stable than the equivalent resonating structures as found in carboxylate ion. Just now I explained the same thing. Now the second part, what already I explained. Moreover, negative charge on the oxygen atom of carboxylate anion gets more localized by the plus I effect of the alkyl group present in all the members of the series except formic acid. Hence, the absence of plus I effect of the alkyl group makes the anion of formic acid more stable. So, formic acid is the strongest acid of the homologous series. Now, coming to the third question. In some respect, Mr. X resembles the members of another aliphatic homologous series. Which homologous series is referred here? Now, the answer is the homologous series is aliphatic aldehydes. Now, why it resembles this aliphatic aldehyde, that I am going to explain now. Before that, we see the fourth question. Why Mr. X can produce shining mirror with aqueous ammonia solution of silver nitrate? Okay. See, this is acetaldehyde, or you take any aliphatic aldehyde or any aldehyde. Here, this CHO, this part is there. And this CHO part, it contains this hydrogen atom. So, aldehydes are reducing agent because of this hydrogen. Okay. So, it reduces this Tollens reagent, Fehling solution, Benedict solution, etc. Now, coming to this formic acid. In the structure of formic acid also, like this aldehyde, this CHO part is there. And because of this CHO part which contains this hydrogen, formic acid also reducing agent unlike the other members of aliphatic monocarboxylic acid. Therefore, when this Tollens reagent, that is ammonical silver nitrate solution, is added to this formic acid, then this formic acid reduces the silver ion of this Tollens reagent to metallic silver. Now let's see. So, if you add Tollens reagent to formic acid solution, just like any aldehyde, and heat it in water bath, then with time you will observe that this shining mirror developed at the walls of this test tube. Okay. Here what happens? This Tollens reagent is ammonical silver nitrate solution where the silver amine complex is formed and silver is present in the +1 oxidation state. Here, like these aldehydes, this formic acid reduces the silver +1 to metallic silver, that is silver 0 state. And this metallic silver deposited as the shining mirror. So, formic acid has CHO group in its structure and hence like aldehyde it has reducing power. It can reduce silver ion present in Tollens reagent to silver which gets deposited as shining metallic silver as observed in case of aliphatic aldehyde. The other members of this carboxylic acid series do not have this CHO part in the structure, hence they are not reducing agent like formic acid. So, formic acid is the unique member of this aliphatic monocarboxylic acid which possesses the properties of this aldehyde. So, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you.